Prettier, an integrated code formatter and Paradime, helps maintain a clean and comprehensible DBT project. It detects errors in your YAML files and ensures a uniform code style. The best part is, it comes pre-configured in your DBT project, so there's no need for initial setup. Let's take a look at this YAML file as an example. It has inconsistent formatting, which could potentially cause issues in our DBT project. Now, watch as we click the Prettier button in the Commands panel. Immediately, Prettier formats our YAML file, enhancing its readability, consistency, and eliminating errors. When Prettier encounters more severe errors, a red warning symbol appears at the bottom of the IDE. Clicking on it allows us to investigate and rectify the issues. For instance, it detected a problem with the column mapping and the row it occurred on. We can then fix it and run Prettier again to ensure everything is working as it should. We can also customize our Prettier configuration by adding a Prettier file to the root of our DBT project. These custom settings, for instance, set a 4-space indentation for better readability of our YAML files and use single quotes for consistency in strings. Let's run Prettier again with our custom configuration. As you can see, Prettier helps maintain consistent YAML formatting across your entire project. Whether by using Paradime's integrated Prettier feature or customizing the Prettier YAML file yourself, you can enforce team-wide coding standards. This not only makes collaboration easier, but also improves overall code quality.